Camera ready. It's Canary 16.6. The entrance. This is kitchens and living room. Ahead is a balcony. From here we can look the whole amenity. And you can see the Bahamas, brilliant Hawaii, the whole project. This is the view from balcony. See, it's the best view. And I'm sure that in the evening, in the afternoons, the weather is so good because no more, it's not hot much. Okay, next we come into bedroom. Here the bedroom is the same view. You see, good. Okay, it's the same view with from the balcony. Oh, you see, there's the window in the bedroom. Okay. Next, the opposite is the bedroom, bathroom. See. Yeah. Okay. Here the lotion. Very fresh. Hot water. Okay, now we're back to the kitchen. Dining room. Kitchen. See here is your kitchen. The place you put okay. That's it.